think we are live. So let me make sure my audio is coming in. I'm just gonna wait for some more people to drop in and then I will start live streaming. Just trying to see. All right. Welcome to the live stream if anybody's watching right now. Thanks for joining in. All right, so we got 3 people in here. That's cool. Cause I know I do them randomly, so 4 now. Welcome everyone. Alrighty. Just want to make sure the audio sounds fine. If anyone is listening to me right now, let me know if the audio sounds okay. Let me know if like it looks good and everything, like it's not looking jank. On my end, everything's good. I just want to make sure before I like start getting into the nitty-gritty of let me see something really quick. Okay, so alright, we got 4 people in here. I'll just kind of, or 5 now, so I'm pretty good. Hey, what's up? Thanks for joining. Alright, so for today's main live stream, basically, I will be doing a quick showcase. Well, this will probably be a really long live stream, actually. I will be doing a showcase of basically trying to restore Ratchet and Clank's mini games and interactive items, as well as doing some audio fixes. So if I go in Navigator really quickly, I recently in patch version 1.26 I forgot to add the audio to this space, so I'm going to fix that today. And I'm going to be adding 2 clothing items, one for, well, basically 2 female items and 1 male item, which I'm wearing already now, which is the Japanese gas mask. I've been dying to get this item. I really like this gas mask. It was from Picavox Monsters as a reward. But I'm gonna add 2 clothing items right now since it's the easiest part of this live stream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to Ratchet and Clank. So first things first, let me go ahead and change to a female character really quick, and then alright, cool. So let me make sure on my end the console output, if it's on for, yeah, it's not. I had to reset my whole ProDG target manager since I was doing it for a video and it lost all my settings. Let me see if my girl avatar is still here. Alright, yeah, so my girl avatar is here. Hey, what's up, Rubik's Cube? So what I'm gonna do now is I've been kind of doing the patch behind the scenes, so it won't take too long. But there is this clothing item I'm going to be adding in for females, which is like this Japanese tracksuit from Shoei Kingdom, and I really wanted this for the guys, so it kind of sucks that I can't whatchamacallit, I can't port this to, well, I probably can port it to males, this outfit that I want, but it's originally for females. I would have to like mess with the models or whatever, which I may do later on my free time. So right now I just added the tracksuits. I'm gonna go ahead and add it or test it to the client. What's up, Kyle? Thanks for joining. Let me look at something real quick. Oh no, I don't want to do that. It's taking forever. Hold on, person. Hopefully everyone is having a good day for today. I always forget this command and I use it all the time. Yeah, person local set clothing component. So right now I'm just testing if the clothing will pop up on the female, and I don't want to restart my console, so I use this command where I can just type in like the unique UUID or like the identifier, and I just whatchamacallit. But here are like the 2 items I'm adding right now, like if you want to know the official name. So it's a Japanese item from home. I already had all the metadata and stuff done. I did the research to it, and I remember this item from home. I gotta see. Alright, so there is this one, which is 8, starts with an AF, and then I gotta get the other one. It's both matching. I found this in someone's cache. I think it was Zach's, and he had the actual Japanese gas mask. Alright, so hey, what's up, Ali? Thanks for joining. Oh, I thought this was Prodigy. Alright, so if I do this really quick right now. Oh, wait. It did. Hold on. I don't know which one it loaded. I think it loaded the. Alright, there we go. So here's like the track outfit. Maybe some of you guys remember from Japan Home. This was from Shoei Kingdom, and I really wanted this for the male. I'm going to try to see if I could take that texture and like port it to another hoodie or something like that, because I really like this jacket. But it was a track jacket that was for from Japan Home, so I'm pretty happy that we got this. I'm gonna go ahead and take some quick dev screenshots. So let me go ahead and take a screenshot. This is just something quick I wanted to do before getting started on let me just get the official names when I do this. Alright, so oh, it didn't even copy the name. And then as well, I did forget, once we get all of the Ratchet and Clank minigames done, I will be adding 2 more spaces today, which will be, I believe, let me look with the official names because I wrote them down, or typed them I should say. It's Rad and Sun Garage's rooftop apartment, and it's going to be Lockwood Dream Island apartment, which is pretty cool. So let me I'll actually show you really quickly in a second once I get the official name saved in the PNG. Wait, what? Did it actually save with the name? I don't know. No, it didn't. Alright, so it didn't save with the name. So let me go in the back. I'll take another screenshot just to show the back of the hoodie. Alright, so this is number 2. And then this is the pants, so it's this, and I'll kind of toggle to the left. Alrighty, so what the hell? Alright, so this is 1, and then 2. Alright, so we're basically pretty much done with the whole settings via with messing with this, so that's pretty much done. I just gotta take these clothing items and just drop them into the actual build itself or into the patch, since I don't want to forget when I do this. Alright, so that's done. Wait, let me see which one I did though. That was 325, 326, I believe. Alright, so that was done. And I gotta do the gas mask really quickly. Alright, so now the gas mask has been added. I just had them in like my resources. But right now I'm going to go ahead and change back to one of my outfits. So I'm just gonna load any outfit that I know I have here. And just to test that my gas mask UUID is still in here, because I did it like recently. Let me just go ahead and I don't know which one is it. Nope, that's not it. So I believe it's this UUID. So right now my person should have my gas mask. Alright, cool. Now where I'm gonna go is to Ratchet and Clank, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on the ODCs and stuff. But thank you all for joining in. Thank you all for participating. So I think I just passed it, to be honest. Alright, Ratchet and Clank Time Travelers. So that's the main thing we're going to be looking for today. But hold on. Let me open up another YouTube tab really quickly, and then I'll show you what two spaces we'll be messing with today, or I'll be adding into the client, so you guys will get an idea once we persist. It's called Rad Rooftop Garage, and I'll make it a little bit bigger on the screen so we can all see. So let me I'll just put it on the side like this. Oh, this thing is not even fully showing. Alright, so it's this space right here. I believe this was available for SCE Home, so the EU version. I think this rooftop has some issues due to minigame encryption, because half of the buildings are not even showing and none of this is happening, but we did get a archive of this, and clearly I think people used to glitch at this space. So hopefully I know this wasn't such maybe a popular space, but it's pretty cool that we got that. And then we got a Dream. It's called I do remember this space though, Dream Island. Yeah, so this space will be archived. What I have to do for this space is some general fixes. I will need to fix some of the textures, because when I ran this on another client, basically some of the water was having issues, the sky was having issues, so I will need to fix all of that towards the end. But yeah, that's essentially what's going to happen for this live stream. But yeah, let me just, so as of right now, the only mini game I have working is via, let me just minimize this. Hey, what's up, Kaboom? But the only thing we have working right now, which I did in an older client, and I found this, is the Groovatron. Let me just run away from him, because I know that song will give me copyright flagged really quickly. But basically, this game has been archived. There's a mini game that's supposed to trigger here for sheep, and I'm trying to see. I think there's something else. Yeah, this fusion grenade. There's some other stuff that needs to be added here. There's a bunch of object items that are supposed to be placed in this corner that is not here, which I'm going to be fixing. So right now what I'm going to do is go to my, well, I'm going to go ahead and toggle a speed run real quick, because alright, so speed run, actually I don't want to do it that fast. I'll do it as that. I'm going to toggle speed run really quickly, and then I'm going to I have a list of games that hasn't been added. So grenade has been added, and this, so I believe the sheep one I've already done. I gotta find where it's at on my PC because I've been trying to do this. Alright, so escape sheep. I actually didn't do the sheep one. I did ammo cracklery, which is one of the interactive items. So let me go ahead and just drag and drop all of the content. Alright, so that should be fine. So right now, if I reload the space, the cracklery one should be okay. See, yeah, so you can see here from the actual call, where it says initializing ammo hint, for cracklery, it's fine. Yeah, so you can see here, this one wasn't here. And this is just one of the interactive items that was supposed to be here. So that's one done. So interactive cracklery. Alright, and every time I do this, I need to add it to the patch source itself. So let me drop this in user directory. Boom. So that's good. So cracklery is done. Time bomb I need to do, so let me drop this into the client. I haven't done all of them, I just did some of them, so I could just show you an idea of what I have to do. Alright, the videos and memory are still fine. So fusion grenade still works. Alright, that's the one in the middle. Cracklery works and time bomb works. Alright, nice. In the meantime, I'm going to be setting up Rift Inducer. I did that one as well. So just want to make sure. But yeah, if you guys want to ask any questions or anything in terms about offline or just home in general, or you just, you know, want to talk about any random topics that like deals with gaming, I am down to answer any questions. Alright, so Rift Inducer. Let's see if this loads. But I need to create a... Alright, so we got many of the interactive items loading now. Fusion grenade works. Cracklery got the metadata. Time bomb got the metadata. Rift Inducer. Okay. And thank you, Clem. Right now, I need to... I'm going to do the sheep game, though, because I haven't actually fully played that. So, let me go to my mini games really quick. Escape sheep. I already have the UUID of that, so alright. I did meteor gun just now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this fully mapped. I need to also get the ODC done for this, but I believe I already did this, but right now I'm just checking the resources files, localization XML, which this file right here contains like the metadata. So this basically tells you like the name to the actual game and stuff, and then the object XML is just stating like what is included with the actual scripts. Alright, and let me verify this ODC. So yeah, that's good. So the ammo meteor gun one, that thing is rebuilding. I'm going to go ahead and replace that. So, and it should load. Wait, something got mad at something. 1B, I don't know which is 1B. Oh, it's the sheep game. Of course it wouldn't run, it's not there. Rift inducer. Alright, meteor gun is here now. When did this minigame came up? I'm not even too sure. I think this came out in 2010, I'm assuming. Ratchet and Clank is one of the older spaces. I know it was like pre 1.30 home. But yeah, Ratchet and Clank, the space was actually delisted, but if you added it to your favorites, you could have played with it. But I know this was like not 2011 home and stuff.
Was pretty impressive.
But in
well,
the meantime,
team, I believe some
I'm gonna
congratulations
add the
are in order.
ODCs for the rest of the mini games. There's also the commerce point, but there's no point of me adding that because alright, so right now I just gotta rename the UUID, and then it's called Blitzgun. Alright, so that's done. And then I just gotta rebuild it. So same thing with this, I gotta create the ODC via for the sheep game. Did it actually map yet or no? Nah, it's still tweaking. Alright, so alright. Escaped sheep. So I'm just waiting for it to basically do its thing for the sheep game. Alright, it actually did, and this game is actually huge. Localization, and then let me, it's also missing a DDS file. I don't know if it will, damn it. I wonder if it's going to give me a texture issue when I boot up, and this is what I gotta fix. Alright, so the audio's in here too as well. Oh, no. Let me just copy this. Alright, before I put this in the patch, let me just slap it in the build and then reload the scene. Platform logo has already been here. So the sheep game should be working, I'm assuming. Let's see. Alright, escape sheep. So we got, this is a good sign already. It says help the grumble find the sheep. Hey, how you doing? I ain't too good with myself. They have been sheepinated. Machine broke down last night and ape sheep escaped. Bet dollars to donuts. They're still hiding in here. store. So I got 5 minutes to find the damn sheep. I don't even know where they're at though. Like, where are they spawning at? I don't even know where the sheep. Oh, so I found one. Okay. So they hiding behind these like little cans. Maybe not. Alright, I found another one. So I just gotta make sure the game is working. Found 3. I'm kind of speed running doing this and cheating a little bit. And I think this should trigger out a reward maybe, but I don't have the reward script set up. Nope, that's not here. Oh, that's cool. It has like the little... I don't recall, like... Alright, where's the last one at? Alright. What the hell? I don't know if I didn't find the 8th one. Is it behind here? No. Bruh. Don't tell me it needs like another one. I honestly don't know where the last one is. Well, at least it's a good sign that the game is not like dying on me or something. Hold on, let's try here. Okay, so all of the games, okay, so it fully works. I'm just not good at, I don't really remember this game. Or I remember it, but I just don't recall everything being so like whatever. So at least the minigame works now. I can add this to the build. So the patch has been done now. Yeah, whatever. I already added platform lower. I need to figure out something. I don't know what other mini games I forgot to add. I'm trying to see where I had it at. My PC is kind of iffy. Alright, we did the inducer one. Well, actually, let me just see which is on the floor right now. So, fusion grenade has been added. Meteor gun, time bomb has been added. Groovatron I know works. Crackle ray, rift inducer. I don't think the blitz gun has been added yet. Yeah, the blitz gun hasn't been added. So, object ODC I need to create. Alright. So that's done, and then I need to just make the source name for it. So blitz gun. And this patch, guys, will be more than likely out either today or tomorrow, depending on how much other stuff I do want to. Oh snap, yes, keep it in. I don't know why I didn't add. I don't know why is it acting like this. It's the correct one. Alrighty. Irregardless, I'm going to go ahead and get this rebuilt. Alright, so escape sheep is done. Blitz gun. I need to map it anyway. Oh, thanks, man. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Alright. So I'm just waiting for You know what? In the meantime, while waiting for this, I will actually instead of just wasting time and basically just waiting for it to do its thing, I'm going to create my SDC stuff so we can add. I'm gonna create like the metadata for the other space so I can knock two birds in one stone. So instead of me just waiting for stuff to just happen, I like to work like in synchronization. But here are for example, here are the textures I have to add for the dream hideaway space that I need to do manually since they didn't map, and that's going to be a pain. Alright, so test1.sdc is here. And this is going to be useful for me later. So I know I wrote down, I already know the company who made this space I'm talking about was Lockwood. So Lockwood did it. I know I also, let me check the date. Alright, so, and then I need to get wherever I had my thumbnail at. Alright, so I gotta drop this in the client too. And then I gotta report this back. So this is like the icon picture I'm doing now. I'm just setting it up so it reads in the build. And then I know I already found like the original metadata. So what I'm copying now is just the original metadata. A lot of the stuff I pre-planned, so it's not too boring for me doing the research. Alright. So the description of this space is: live the life you always dreamed of with Dream Island from Figment, your very own secluded tropical island hideaway. Swim in the ocean, find the hidden caves, and discover the island's vibrant wildlife to obtain rewards. Invite friends to vista you at the island's impressive condor. Host that barbecue on your private pier. Live the dream. So yeah, that's basically the generic whatchamacallit. So now that is fully done. Boom. So that's done. Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Will this game go on PlayStation 3 Hen? In terms of the online client, yes. The debug client, either you can use RPCS3 or real PlayStation 3. I am using a real PlayStation 3 for this. And yo, what's up, Orange Cup? Thanks for joining in. And you said I bought an Elgato capture card. That's what's up, man. As he said, started uploading gameplay video. Thanks for the suggestion. Oh yeah, the Elgato is a really good capture card. Even though it's expensive, it's good to invest. I'm using the Elgato 60S. Let's check if the thing even rebuilt yet. Oh no, it's still doing what it gotta do. Alright. Just to verify everything, what we can do now is go. I need to open up two things right now. Let me just make sure in the patch folder we have everything. So I'm gonna. Alright, I'm just going to make sure each of the mini games is literally in here. So the time bomb is in here. This is just something I usually do. I just recopy all of the work. So I know it's officially in the patch, and I do this multiple times so I ensure before I release this on GitHub, like all of the data is in here. So Harbinger is now in the patch. The meteor gun. Let's see what else. Groovatron is actually Groovatron. I need to map manually again. Well, Groovatron's been in the client, so I really don't need to do that. I'll do it anyway later on, but it's not really important. Alright, so the Blitz gun is actually done now. So fusion grenade and liquid nitrogen. Alright, so I gotta do fusion grenade right now. Alright, so let me just toggle this over to that. Alright, so in the meantime, while I'm setting up the Blitz gun, I got to localization. Let me just resource. Objects. Alright, so now if everything is fully correct, I'm going to add the Blitz gun to the thingy, or to the patch right now, and then I'm going to drop this in the client build. I'm not too sure how big the patch is too, and oh, you guys reminded me. Going to take some screenshots. Let me see. Escape sheet mini game RC. So I'm just trying to take some pictures of basically this. Can you get a dark nacho avatar? I seriously want to run deck so I could run this world. Yeah, the Ratchet and there's another Ratchet and Clank world that we sadly didn't archive yet. But yeah, this is we gotta, like, in the client, the giant orange cup, there's over 300 spaces that have been archived, and every time we get more data, like me and the team, I usually go through all of the scenes and spaces manually, and I usually rebuild them. So what the hell? Fusion grenade, Blitz gun. Okay, so it's here. So it looks good. I don't know. I don't even know why fusion grenade is here. I don't know if I did that from before. But I need to do nitrogen, and then all of the mini games and interactive items are actually done for Ratchet and Clank, which is actually pretty quick. This one looks like all of for one. Am I right? I think so. You're right. This was based off, I think, the Ratchet and Clank Time Travelers game, I believe. So it's still not doing that. Here. Well, I'll take a little quick detour out of Ratchet and Clank, and I'm going to go to another space which I planned on fixing, which is City of Flowers. And I need to get the audio working, since it had like this classy like jazz music. Since this space is based off like France, so it kind of has like that rendezvous, like lovey-dovey type feel to it, I guess you could say. but I don't know what I don't even know where I put the audio to it, to be quite honest with you. Oh, there we go. So I already have the France stuff done. But actually, what I want to do is make sure that the scene is loading. Let me look at the console output. Alright, room management. Okay, it's loading in. It's just taking its sweet time. Alright, so there's no audio in here now. I did fix the sky. But let me see once I paste this. Now I'm gonna relaunch this space and hopefully it will work. I see. I didn't really play a lot of Ratchet and Clank. I think a lot of people telling me I should get into Ratchet and Clank. I played like a little bit. Like I played like the original PS2 one for like maybe a good hour, but I wouldn't say like I really delved myself deep into it. I'm not too sure. The audio is not playing and I don't know why. It could just be a Lua script, but I don't know. I need to check actually. I hear like the water. Let me investigate this a little bit more. I gotta dissect this. I don't even know where I have the dot scene at. Nope. Alright, so what I'm gonna do really quickly is, because I know I added it to the client. Let me see, City of Penthouse, Flowers, whatever. Map scenes GZ PT. Okay. Alright, there we go. And I will kind of show you what I have to kind of figure out in real time. So I will make my main screen a little bit bigger in the corner. Alright. So I'm looking at this right now. And this is basically all of the content that home needs to run for the space. So this controls like basically everything in the scene. So from textures, in-game models, so basically the sky, everything. So what I gotta do right now is try to find the MP3 file. But I could have sworn, to be quite honest with you, that I already mapped it in the correct location. It says LG World Paris Sound. It should already be here. LG World Sound MP3. Yeah, it's here. So I honestly don't know. And the MP3 actually plays. I don't know if it's like case sensitive. I could try that though. Wait, PS BGM. Yeah, I'm not going crazy. It's here. It could just not run due to like the Lua scripts, and that's what's calling it, and that's pretty much a bummer. And then yeah, Ratchet is my spirit animal. Really? That's what's up. I need to go ahead and attend to Ratchet and Clank when I have some free time. I know like they have the new one, I guess, coming for PlayStation 5 that looks pretty cool too. I know I was talking with my friend and he was like, it looks really cool. Yeah, I'm not even too sure why the audio's not working, but I'll do this though. Since the thing is not so I'm just gonna, since I can't add it into the space, what I'll do is I will make a thing, City of Flowers. Yo, what's up, Weasel News? Damn, son, I got the GTA 5 Weasel News on me. Got that clout. Alright. I need to get the official name though. I'm having like a... What? Alright, so I'll do this then. I'll say City of Flowers, official audio, or official in-game BGM as source files. I'll provide the original MP3 files because I know somebody wanted them and they wanted to hear it. So unfortunately, I think I could probably mess around with it and try to convert this as a BNK file and then try to get it running in the whole scene. But what I'll do now is actually in the patch, I will call it of and by now the minigame should have been rebuilt. Alright, so the audio will be in here when I release the GitHub pack. I gotta sit here and get at least 300 gigabytes out of this hard drive. Damn, son. You should back up your data, like use Google Drive or Mega. I don't know, I think Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes, but I pay like $10 a month and you get 2 terabytes, which is really good. And I think for $2 or $1.99 you get like I believe 100 megabytes, or not megabytes, excuse me, gigabytes. But let's go back to Ratchet and Clank really quickly. I need to verify. I need to AF, so I have all my Ratchet and Clank stuff in this thing. Alright, is this the AF one? Nope. Yes, it is. Alright, so sources, if I could type today. This is the object XML just by looking at it. After a while, like, this gets kind of repetitive to me because I could already tell just from looking at the side, like basically on the side right here, which file is which. Alright, so that's done. Paste. I didn't get a ODC. Escape, nope. AF, okay. So I gotta copy this because that's like the major string. Like the game won't read without this basically. And let me write the fusion grenade. Alrighty, so now what I need to do is go into, where the hell is it? Alright, so I need to drop this in a patch, not tools folder. And then there's another one. Alright, so I'm done. and liquid nitrogen I gotta do. Let me see. I'm just trying to like speed run through this. So bop, and then alright, that's gonna be rebuilding in the background. Trying to see what else I have to do. I'll create the ODC now so I could just drag and drop later. Liquid nitrogen. Okay. Wait, that's wrong. I don't need that folder there. Okay, so it did pop up. And then let me make the call to this so it will know in the system. And then I just gotta name this to liquid nitro, if I could spell today. And I'm gonna read back in the chat, guys. I haven't forgot about you. And yeah, so right now let me go to Ratchet and Clank. I'm gonna go ahead and toggle out the screen so it's a little bit smaller and we can see, or you guys can see what I'm doing, because I was just trying to reiterate that. 2 terabytes from Dropbox. Yeah, that's what's up. And thank you. Yeah, thank you guys for leaving the likes. Thank you guys, all the 15 people who are watching this. I really appreciate it. So hopefully, you know, I don't want to bore people with these live streams, so I try to keep them somewhat entertaining. But yeah. I ain't forget. I need to buy a NAS, bro. Like, I need to buy, like, I have so many hard drives. Like, not even kidding. I don't even have all of mine connected, but I got like 6 or 7 hard drives that I back up with so much data from preservation for just from home stuff, YouTube content, source code for like rare games and stuff. Hold on, where is Ratchet and Clank? Oh, I'm in the wrong section. That's why I'm like, what? I'm over here. Did I pass it? I think I did. See, the sad thing about navigating through all of this stuff is like I have to find, like, there's so many spaces in here, which I ain't complaining. I'd rather have a lot of spaces. I wanted one of those that has like 10 hard drives. Yeah, that's what, bro. After a while, it's gonna, I have to probably invest in one, because yeah, that's what I'm saying. It'll just be more useful for me to manage stuff. I need to find like a cheap NAS though. Blitz, meteor gun, the game, crack away. All right, everything's here. I just got to wait for the other one to restore, which is doing now. Well, in the meantime, I can take some development screenshots. Let me just here. I'm gonna call this Ratchet and Clank mini games. All right, so I got that done. And then after this, we're going to set up the 2 spaces. I'm going to go to my dummy client, I call it. Like, I don't like working. Thank you for so much for doing this, Miss PlayStation Home. Oh, no worries. I work on the offline client and the online client simultaneously. So I do this basically for the community. And it's just for preservation reasons. So like, even though like the online client is not up and running as of right now, you know, this is something I could do for the community in the meantime. So, you know, if you want your quote-unquote PlayStation home fix and you just want to go ahead and go to your favorite spaces, which I do sometimes as well. Like if I'm bored and whatchamacallit, I'll go like to Japan Home Central or some stuff like that. Dummy thick. Damn. Alright, I'm just waiting for it to do its thing. But once the game has fully rebuilt, we're going to test it one more time. It should be one more interactive item, and then we're going to go back onto another version of 1.86, and I will be setting up the textures and stuff. I just want to make sure, let me see. Don't save. Right now, I couldn't write the patch notes, to be honest. Let me get an audio emoji. Alright, we could add that little logo. Or icon, I should say. Alright, clothing's done. I could actually probably take those audio files and make them as FLAC.FLCs. Ah, really? Nice. Freaking, I'm trying to see if it rebuilt by now. Alright, so it's done. Let me go to the, let me clean up the source for this. Okay. Localization XML. There was another space that was, I just found out the other day, that was connected to this. It was, I think you entered through either this store, and like it actually will trigger, it says like scene information, and it was like it's not here since we don't have the space. Same thing, or not, this will take you back to Harbor though. What I really do like about this space too, like how it would like how you see at the bottom, like just the people moving. Like this boy ugly as hell though, but it's just kind of cool how like the in-game Lua scripts basically made like the animation functions. And I like the audio to the space. It got like that factory vibe, I should say. Alright, so right, extract the mini games, and then I'm going to destination home patch. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and reload this. Oh no, this is Japan home. F. Let me not do that. I'm loading the wrong scene. I need to go, actually, to make this quicker, I'm gonna go home. Alright, I'm going back to my Harbor Studio. Because, hopefully I didn't freeze. Let me see if I'm getting any output. Oh no, I think I froze. F. No. Alright, I think I did freeze. But what I'm going to do is actually... I'm not too worried about it. I think the game works. But since it was the last mini game, I could test later. I'm going to go and switch my client build really quickly. So in terms of me freezing, I'm going to go back to... this space. They did a really good job with this game. I'm planning on replaying on the Vita, and I have my PS2 copy to go. Yeah, I have, I think somewhere maybe on my PC or PS3. On my Vita I definitely have the Ratchet and Clank collection. But in terms of, I should play probably some Ratchet and Clank. I think via with Ratchet and Clank, I think there's a revival server actually for one of the games. Yeah, that's what's up. I feel like, yo, to be honest, like the early PS2 games, so like Ratchet and Clank, Jack and Dexter, not, I was about to say Spyro, but Sly Cooper, those were like really hot titles. Like I vibe with that a lot. Alright, so home just booted up for me. Sorry, I was looking down at my phone to check if the live stream is going good. I like to do that just to make sure like I'm sounding okay. Alright, so this is my test client. This is where I keep all my dummy stuff at. That's why this one doesn't look so pretty. I don't even know where I kept it. Nice. I'm assuming what is the new, let me type this in. Ratchet and Clank PS5. I don't even know what's the PS5 one called. Rift Apart. That one looked pretty good though. I haven't even been really in tune with the PS5 information. Oh, actually, there's some news. PS5 just got a huge new exclusive launch title. Something about the PS5 here has lost Arcane's death loop to a lengthy delay. Well, yeah, all of the games are going to get delayed due to the Rona. I don't understand why people were like complaining about that though. Storage. So wait, is this like confirmed? So 825 gigabytes of storage. So only 1 terabyte? That's not even a lot though. Oh wait, this is not even the space I wanted to go to. Uno momento. I need to environments. Test videos, local scene list. Yacht. I'll do this first. Here's the space that's going to get ported to the actual client. Alright, it's just yelling about some stuff. How long I've been live streaming? Almost an hour, so not too bad. Cause I know I'll be going on crazy. Yeah, for real. Yeah, Spider-Man Miles Morales is fresh. Alright, so this game via right here, or basically this space is going to be the one that's ported into the online client. I mean, well, offline client, I should say. But this space will be in 1.27. It's fully done. I just gotta get it. I love Watch Dogs. I played Watch Dogs 1 and 2. But here's another space I need to fix right now, and this is what I'm going to do. So as you see, well, the Dream Island, I need to fix the textures, because I'll actually show you the issues. Like, before I even fix it, I'll show you the like before and after. So I just canceled out all the errors. And it's yelling about some. So right now, here's like all of the errors so far. You can see like how, like for example, the sky is broken. I need to fix the sky. So the sky will be getting fixed. You can see here how like the textures right now are not getting mapped, so you get like these big ass white blocks which looks funky. So I gotta fix that. You can see here how like the radiant of the smog or fog right here, or smoke that would come from, or steam I should say, would be, even like some of the textures and lighting is messed up. So that's what I'm going to be doing and trying to fix all of that. But yeah, we're going to get all of that fixed. Right now, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and relaunch home, and I'm gonna go and get the DDS stuff fixed. So it's complaining about some textures. Oh, not no PlayStation. Alright. Nope, that's wrong. 1EB67 DDS or 6A7. So this is this one. This is the seashore wave particles. So that's probably the one that was for the seashore that was having a issue. Oh, and I typed that in wrong. Very bad. Alright. Alright. And now I gotta find like the exact, so it goes in apartments, island development, millionaire apartment, particles, which makes sense. Probably is particles, textures. Okay. For some reason, I always have issues with textures, and I always gotta manually paste them. Alright, so that's the first one. Then it gives me another error. It shoots out in the command log. Alright, diagnostics, I'm going with stock white. Yeah, that's fine. Then it yells about that one again. Okay, now it's talking about water ripple. That's probably was for like the little cave thing. Alright, let's go to the source file. 7849, so that's that. I could have told that was a water ripple. I could tell by the texture. and it goes into actually another like apartments, island development, blah blah blah, textures, waterfall. I don't even see waterfall, so I gotta make that file folder. No, not there. I just opened the textures in Photoshop and I didn't mean to do that. Let me see if you guys are saying something. Oh, thanks, Orange Cub. You have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, so the water ripple was there. Let me minimize this. So I gotta see. Um, 64 by 64 color DDS apartments. B1.8. This is like the nitty gritty part that this is like the unfun part, me trying to fix this. B189. Wait, what? Oh no, that's this waterfall particles C4. No. Alright, so it's just tedious though. Gotta do the same thing over again. Island development, millionaire apartment, particles, then textures. Alright, so this just goes here. Then I gotta shoot out another error log. Water ripple, I think we already had that one. We just did that one, I believe. Okay. Then bird animation, I could tell what that one is without even it should literally look like a bird. And this goes into apartments, island development, millionaire apartment, particles, textures. Alright, so the bird one goes here. That wasn't too bad. Now I gotta shoot another error. And this is just like how I do on a daily basis, is try to debug and catch errors. Alright, and then it half loads. It should shoot out some more textures. No objects. Alright, then it's saying something about dust. So the dust, I don't even know where the dust, I think it would probably be for like the rocks or something. I haven't really like, let me see. E48. Apartments, island development, millionaire, particles again, textures, dust DDS. Alright. Okay. This one I don't even gotta copy it because I'm seeing it on my screen flies. So that's the hash to it. 8BB. Where is that? Oh, that's it. I'm not even. Yeah. So these are like little June bugs, I guess, the textures to it. Okay. Just gonna try to speed run through this a little bit faster, so we could actually see what the space looks like without all of these buggy errors. And I also need to map the SDC. Yo, what's up, Lotus Rose? Hey, what's up? @spark_DDS. Hopefully the music is keeping y'all guys alive, because I know this part of the live stream usually gets kind of boring, because this is where it gets like, I don't know, the debugging process. Debugging a game is usually never fun, and this is what like real developers, you know, do for games. So your favorite game titles, when they check for any bugs, for whether it be like Grand Theft Auto or Ratchet and Clank, any game, this is the part of the process of game development, and it's tedious. Ash Spark texture. Alright, so this is like, I don't even know what this texture is for. That's why I usually try to add music to the background, so you just won't hear me typing all the time and stuff like that. Wait, what? I gotta make sure. Alright, Smoke 2 DDS. That's the last error, I think, or one of the last ones. Let me see really quick. Okay, that makes sense. One of them, or the last two, is either going to deal with some fire or this fish or this like water droplet particle. Alright, apartments. And then once this is all done, I will port this to the main client and then smoke2.dds, fire 2 times. Alright, that's pretty obvious which one that is, so I'm gonna just go on my intuition, or you know, put common sense to play. So cut apartments, island development, millionaire, textures. So actually looking at the EFX really quick, I saw where it was calling that from. Alrighty, so right now there's like one texture that is not getting mapped, and it's the fish for whatever reason. But what I'm gonna do now is drop this into the build, and it should, everything should be fine. My data port and broadcast port is now working on my Xbox 360 system linking thing. I'm actually not even too sure what is your data port and broadcast port. What model Xbox 360 you have, by the way, because that's something totally new actually, and I usually am kind of keen to which is which. What game is this? This is PlayStation Home. It basically was a social world for the PlayStation 3. Oh, what the hell? Alright, so my game just froze, but yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Thank you guys for joining, thank you guys for leaving likes. I'm not a saint. You don't gotta boost me like that. I work with a team of people. It's not just me that's doing that. I'm mainly the person who works on the offline client. It's a Slim 360. How did the port break? Did it like get cut off or something? Alright, I had to restart home because it froze on me. But I need to actually name this differently. Water ripple. I thought I had that. I'm trying to see where. I did that though. Waterfall. Bro, it's literally here. Unless I'm tweaking right now. Literally it says millionaire apartment textures. Unless I spelled that wrong. Waterfall. Bruh. Unless it's like not an underscore. Dude, that's literally what you need. Alright, I gotta let me see. Run speed. Alright, I'm gonna speed run through this so I am, or actually make it more easier. I'm gonna just debug cam out. Alright, where is the waterfall? Okay, so it's not getting mapped. Alright, so this is the issue. No, when I verify everything, cool UPN, then cool Unity. I see what you're saying. I'm actually not even too sure. I haven't really I'm not really good with 360 to be honest. Like I know like a little bit, not as much as I do for PlayStation 3 though. But if you wanna DM me later on via either my Twitter or my you could DM me and I could try to look it up. That's what I was trying to say. I'm really confused with this I'm actually honestly confused. Why is it giving me this error? Because I literally just gave it what it wanted. Let's see. Okay, so maybe not this. 049. I mean, dude, I don't. Alright, let me just take it from the top. Apartment, island development, millionaire apartment. Like, I didn't name anything really different. Textures. Alright, so I think I see where the issue's at. Let me cut. Alright, maybe I see what I did wrong now. There's still two little things that it's not getting mapped. So I'm going to restart the. You know Flashfire? I know he's been restoring. Oh yeah, I know Flashfire. Yeah, he's a part of the Destination Home team. He's a really cool guy. Yo, what's up? Yeah, Flashfire's 3D modeling skills is crazy. Alright, so I don't know if we got any more calls in terms of errors. Let me see. Oh, I think the live stream just like cut out. Alright, so let me see something really quick. Alright, debug came out. The waterfall should be fixed now. Alright, voila. So the waterfall's fixed. I don't know if there's any more issues. I'm going to clear all my logs. I'm going to attempt to find what other DDS files is getting. I don't know. Just see that error. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Have you heard about the PlayStation 4 patch for 6.72? Yes, I will be doing very soon PlayStation 4 stuff on my channel. Basically, I will be having like a full jailbroken tutorial series, and I will basically get home fixed, or not home, but I will be doing PS4 stuff very soon. I just have to get into like making the videos and contents and doing the research and prepping everything for that, but stay tuned for that though. I wouldn't know when I have it out, but I'll be doing a lot of like the research soon. What I'll do now is right now I'm gonna go ahead and fix the sky since it's ugly right now. I wonder if there's a C data thing. Nope, there's no C data. Alright, so what I'm going to do really quickly is look in one of my older builds for a second. I'm going to shoot. I'm going to use Home Square 3's sky, since it's basically the one that I usually always use when a sky is broken, since it has like the default blue one. So in that case, I will be doing that. I just got to find the folder structure. Like they're like, the client has over like 200,000 folders, like the main one I use, and trying to see where the Atmos is at, or I'm opening up the alright, so that's going to be calling that from there. I'm going to save the dot scene because I'm trying to port this over now. Alright, environments. So let me go here. Atmosphere. Let me go to my source folder where I'm adding this at. Home Square 3.atmos. Alright, now I did the changes. Hopefully the sky will be fixed once I copy this over. Build. Alright. Yeah, let me just go ahead and save all the files. I'm wondering if the PS5 is going to be jailbroken soon. Do I still do trophies? Yes, I still do trophies for 25 USD on PSN at Paranoia. We're just getting hub world errors due to... If you want to DM me about trophies, you could DM me via for whatever. But for the PS5, I think the PS5 would have to like come out first. Sky still didn't work. F. No. Did I not? Wait. Ah, I see what I did wrong. That was my issue. I didn't put it in the right folder. That's my bad. It should work now. I just didn't place it in a felt a low texture sky. On IG. Alright. I don't know why it gave me a texture sky error. Felt a low texture. Yeah, possibly. I'm really not even too sure why the sky is giving me some issues right now. I wish it wouldn't though. Alright, so it doesn't like that sky for whatever reason. I'm gonna go back to my source file and then I don't know, cause it's just, I don't know if it's giving me an error. I want to see if I'm going to actually try something though. I'm going to run with this version of the sky and let's see if it just loads via on the other client. I'm going to at least port it to 2.0 now, and then I'm going to just reload it. So I'm going to get off this client, and I'm actually going to I need to actually before I even do that, I need to make sure I got both of the client or this local scene list written correctly. And I got a ton of folders open, which is probably slowing my computer down. Alright. So, I don't even know where to start from, to be quite honest. Test 2.0, I should start. Okay. Alrighty, so... Alright, I have both of the scenes right here. I just gotta port them to the official local scene list, which is this one. Alrighty, so these are like the names. What I'm going to do is get the official names of the scene, so it's at least it's going to read. Alright, so one of them is going to be the one that says emo, since that was like literally the source file name. That's Rad in Son's Garage. The one that's called Yacht, which is weird to me, it's not even a yacht, it's an apartment. That's that one. Alright, so that's fully done. Alright, so the Dream Island Hideaway is here. And alright, so the garage is here. So right now I'm gonna go back to the main client where I have everything at, and then launch it now. Hey, what's up, Knife Gaming? Thanks for joining. Sorry, I've been just trying to do stuff back and forth. Hopefully the sky can get fixed before releasing this. Alright, so let's just do that. So right now what we're testing, if the thumbnails are popping up, we should verify for that. We should see if the metadata for the SDC. Alright. Just waiting for it to load. What I could do now a little bit, just to knock some birds with two birds and one stone per se, I will I can't even talk. I will add a release or create a draft, I would say, of the release for home or the next patch. Alright, let me do this really quick. Drafting the release, there we go. So let's just call this 1.27. So far I need to update this in the patch notes as well, but at least I will have some of the stuff here. Okay. I haven't added any of the screen links and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna make this patch a beta or not. I'm still debating. But let's go and okay, so we got two stuff. So good so far. We have Rad and Son's apartment. So the metadata is popping up. I need to see if the clothing for the females is actually here too, and I need to get a we need to get some development screenshots going on. This is going to take forever though, damn it, because I gotta verify if the clothing is showing up in the woman's wardrobe. And I have to check what is today's date? 8/18. There's so many woman like torsos. I just gotta check the torsos and legs for females, and I want to see if like my icon and metadata is here for the at least that shirt, because I know the client a lot of the thumbnails we haven't added yet, which will take quite a while. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the 11 people who are leaving likes and stuff like that. It really does mean a lot to me, you know. Puffer jacket. It's just crazy how much like content of like V on home was made. Like, it's pretty insane. Like, from what I've seen, I've like what has been archived like supposedly is like 60,000 items, but I know there's way more than that, because there were a lot of items that were in QA servers for home, and they basically didn't make it out of the QA process, or they were still in limbo. Then there's probably like a ton of content from like a bunch of developers like Lockwood, even Sony themselves, that probably never ever released in like the day of light of home. Okay, so we got the Shoei Kingdom track jacket. So I just gotta get the pants. Oh no, don't tell me I froze, bro. Remove file from cache. And this is just once I know, I'll see it, because it's a, well, number one, it's a Japanese outfit. Wait, is this it? All right, yeah, that's it. So I'll just take another screenshot of it. All right, so Shoei Kingdom. All right, what I'm gonna also do is here, nope, let me do this really quick. Since we're doing screenshots right now, I need to go ahead and take a screenshot, and I'm gonna take another screenshot showing that this is working. And let me label this right now. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my avatar though. Load avatar, and then type that in. I'm gonna also teleport myself out the picture, so I'm gonna throw him somewhere off the damn server so we could, oh no, debug cam teleport 111. Alright, so this is basically the whole scene. I will take some screenshots really quick. So I'm gonna just take some screenshots. They don't gotta be perfect. I don't really alrighty. So that's good. I'll do like 3 screenshots. I'm gonna call this Rad1, Rad2, and then, cause this is what I usually show, like, so if people want to see like what work is in here or like what patches, you get to see it early. So what's different from the Xbox, I mean Xbox One to 360? I'm really not too sure. I never personally owned a Xbox One. I owned a 360, but I haven't played it in forever. Alright, did we get even any error messages though? I love this song. I always play it in my videos. It's actually one of the free YouTube thingies. I'm just trying to see. Wait, the sky works. So what the hell? Yeah, I wasn't tweaking. So in that client, this guy didn't work. This client, it worked. So that's good. All right. One thing we need to test though, if the furniture is working. So I know I got furniture in here. Add. We could just do any random furniture. Alright, let me just place this here. Alright, yeah, so furniture is working just fine. So there you have it. We got 2 spaces running just fine. What I need to do is right now we got to set up the patch. Like, that's more important than anything. So before we even get to do anything special, I'm going to go ahead and take some screenshots outside of the whole building, or like the whole space itself. So I'm gonna take like a couple of screenshots. I'll take like a downstairs photo. Yeah, the little like water cave icicles are here. I really do like this space though. Do you play games in this channel? Sometimes. It's very rare that I play like an actual game. I usually just debug and do stuff like that. But sometimes I do like showcases of like rare prototype games. I have actually a whole series if you want to check this out. Since we're on the topic of this, I'll make my screen a little bigger. If you want to YouTube yeah, here's my full playlist, like and you can I'll have this in the link in the description or in the live chat. If you want to see like me playing like really rare games of like Little Big Planet, I do a lot of stuff on Gran Turismo, Kingdom Hearts and stuff like that. Anything that I really personally like, you could go ahead and check that out. But sometimes I like rarely do. But that's what I usually do in terms of like games. But what I gotta do now is, before we even get to like the whole patching, I need to I'm gonna use alphabetizer so everything is in alphabetical order. Alright, so that's done. So I just updated the local scene list right now. I'm trying to see what else is in here. Any bugs? I need to go to Ratchet and Clank and test that last game. I didn't add I don't think I want to do screen links this patch, since I do have other things I need to attend to. Trying to just go to Ratchet and Clank. Alright, so that's done. Just gotta make sure the last game did enter the patch. Yep, they're all here. So we got the full set here, so everything is done via that way. What I need to do now is so I'm gonna copy this because this is where I had I'm going to make sure that like I have the full patch ready. So I'm gonna go do the mini games now. So each mini game I'm gonna verify it's here. So I'm just gonna drag and drop. Yep, that's fine. Yes, that's done. Just gotta do this for each of them. And I think there are 10 in total. Yes. Rift. Okay, it's done. Metal Bringer, because I just want to make sure like everything's in the correct directories. Grovertron I don't need to do since that's already been, I binded that like in really early. Escape Sheep. Ammo Fusion. And Ammo Liquid. Okay, so that's all done. Alright, so all of the mini games have been ported over to the client. Now I need to I gotta focus on the thumbnails because I know that is important. What I'll do, as always, just to save me some time, I know that the thumbnails are in this correct file location, so I'll just dump all the thumbnails, even though it's a waste of space. I rather, you know, just verify that all of my like space thumbnails are not getting overridden each time, so I'm just using the same ones over and over again. So Radin Sun Garage, that's done. And Lockwood Dream Island Hideaway, or whatever this is called. And then in the local scene list, I'm going to be open this file location, and I gotta dump this into the local scene build. Alright, and the local scene list got to go here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my patch notes here, and this is all I'm going to be doing for today. I was gonna do a little bit more, but I don't want to. I could save like other stuff for another time per se. So now this is now done. .27. Alright, so that's pretty much done for the most part. I need to update the build version 1.27, and it's been completed at 2:59. Even though I'm like this, like I like to be very like correct when I do stuff, or like, I don't know, up to date, since I know where like how stuff is operated. Alrighty, so that's done, and I think, yeah, let me just verify. Patch notes is here. Yep. I just want to make sure the patch notes is yeah, everything looks pretty much fine. So, and basically, I'll tell you how big the patch will be now. I'll compress it. Best. It's probably because my internet's freaking messing up. But jailbreaking the PS3 is not difficult. You can easily use hen, and this is like the easiest method on how to mod your system. And as well, I'm not too sure if, let me see, video capture display. I don't know if this is running at 920 by 1080p. No, it's at default resolution. I'm taking out screen links because I'm not doing them today. Okay. All right. That looks good. I need to just back up something really quick. I need to find how I name them. Okay. And I just gotta call this something. That's gotta be the raw name. Alright, so basically in a minute or so, I will upload this patch, and yeah. So, no worries. Yeah, but jailbreaking the PlayStation 3 is very, very easy. Well, in the meantime, while this uploads, I'm gonna be doing some Red Bull air racing. Trying to see if the game, there we go. Oh snap, I freaking fell in the water. For Hudson Gate, what needs to be done in Hudson Gate? Is there something wrong with it? I actually need to probably fix the texture too. Okay, Hudson Gate seems fine. It has both of the screens playing. The teleportation machines, I could find them, but they won't work due to probably Lua. And each teleportation machine is like different. It's like it's an object that's getting called. Alrighty, so alright, so the patch will be 305 megabytes. I am uploading that literally right now, and I will back this up on my hard drive offline. though it may need to be a few remaining screen links to recover. Oh, there's some more screen links. Do you have them? Because in the next patch, for this patch I just want to keep it a little bit more simple, since I didn't want to add like screen links for this one, because I am going to be doing some other stuff today and I didn't want to just like QA, but I'll do like another patch, so like 128 will have like screen links. Kyle, if you have like updated ones, because I know there's some we posted in the chat, I have to take a look at them later though. There haven't been, not because of Lua, but this 3 have been yet. I see. Yeah, whenever, if you do find them or whatever, we can re-update it and put them to the actual like server itself, or not server, but the client. I remember this space, the Toyota one, Toyota Lua. Yeah, this whole section right here, well, oh actually yeah, this, you could probably walk out here because this is like has collision, maybe. I'm not too sure, but I know it was like for the Toyota Prius like mini race game. Just want to see what I'm waiting for is this to be finished, and then I am going to be tweeting out the link to you guys, and then I'm gonna end the live stream. So I'm just waiting for that. But thank you guys for joining and tuning in. I really do appreciate it a lot. I honestly do. It's been fun doing these live streams because I've been doing them for quite a while now for home, and it gives me something to do instead of like just doing these patches. I wonder why this is taking so long to load. Updating my release now. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask or anything like that. Home always took some time to load for certain spaces, like freaking Music Cafe always took long to load. I'm not too sure why, since it's like pretty much a small space. There we go. I really wish I don't even know what version this is, but thank you. There used to be like well, there would be a screen right here for like it used to play music. I don't know if it was streamed. I'm assuming it was streamed. Bowling game. There is a screen right here, I think. I could put like an actual, like, I don't know. I could may find like a bowling thing to work. You should do game walkthroughs, or do you want to keep the channel for programming? Game walkthroughs, I'm not too sure, because my channel I do like almost a lot. Like I do anything from modding stuff, sometimes gameplays with like prototype. I wouldn't even consider me what I'm doing programming, is more of scripting and just restoration to games, because I'm not a programmer. I'm learning programming kind of a little bit, but nothing like very major, but I should learn programming. I was thinking if I get like big enough, I may make like a secondary channel just for strictly to gaming or whatever. Alright, so the patch is fully done. Let me read the thing. Yeah, blah blah blah. Alright, the patch is now out, guys. So if you want to download this, it's out for RPCS3 and PlayStation 3. And yeah, that is done. Or I'm basically done with today's patch and live stream. If you guys did enjoy this live stream, please be sure to share with your friends, leave a like. If you happen to have PlayStation Home on your consoles, feel free to join a Discord and you can learn more on how you can donate your data there. But with that being said, my name is Nagato. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned in to my channel, and hopefully I'll have some more PS4 stuff coming down the line, some more home stuff, and even some more Vita stuff once I get sorted out. But with that being said, be safe and take care. Thank you all.